by polyatomic ions. Compounds containing more than one atoms are called polyatomic ions. In the case of the polyatomic ions, the charge means the charge is for all the atoms present in the compound. So it is clear. In the case of polyatomic ions, the charge is possessed by the ion as a whole. But we can individually assign the charge of each atom. Individually we can calculate the charge of each atom. In the case of polyatomic ion, the charge possessed by each atom is called what? Formal charge. In the case of polyatomic ion, the charge possessed by each atom is called formal charge. Then how to calculate formal charge? There is an equation for calculating formal charge. That is, formal charge is equal to total number of valence electrons. Total number of valence electrons minus total number of unshared pair of electrons. Total number of unshared pair of electrons minus half into total number of shared pair of electrons. Okay, so how to calculate formal charge? Formal charge is equal to total number of valence electrons minus total number of unshared pair of electrons minus half into total number of shared pair of electrons. Okay, then how to calculate the total number of valence electrons, total number of unshared pair of electrons and shared pair of electrons? In order to calculate formal charge, we have to know the Lewis dot structure. From Lewis structure, we can calculate the formal charge of individual atoms present in polyatomic compound. So it is clear. Okay, so one example we can discuss, that is ozone molecule. What is the formula of ozone molecule? O3. Okay, O3, ozone molecule. How many oxygen atoms are there? 3 oxygen atoms are there. Okay, and the Lewis structure of ozone molecule is this. Okay, oxygen making double bond with one oxygen and a single bond with one oxygen. Okay, and this single bonded oxygen not using any electron for a covalent bond formation. You know that oxygen outermost shell 6 electrons are there. So here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This oxygen not sharing any electrons with this oxygen atom. Then what is the name of this bond? This bond is called what? Coordinate covalent bond. What is called a coordinate covalent bond? What is coordinate covalent bond? It is a bond formed by sharing of electrons, but the shared electrons which is given by only one atom, that is called a coordinate covalent bond. Okay, that means here the formation of this bond by sharing electrons of the middle oxygen atom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, remaining 5, 6. Okay, and the electrons present in this oxygen atom is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then how to calculate the formal charge of individual oxygen atoms? So I am giving number 1, 2 and 3. Okay, then how to calculate formal charge of first oxygen atom? Okay, for formal charge of oxygen 1 is equal to total number of valence electrons, it is 6, minus how many unshared pair of electrons are there? 4 minus 1 by 2 into how many shared pair of electrons are there? 2 bonds. So total number it is 4. So 1 by 2 into 4. What is the answer? 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Clear? Then formal charge of second oxygen atom. Total number of valence electron it is 6. How many unshared pair of electrons are there? 2 minus 1 by 2 into how many shared electrons are there? 3 bonds are there. So 3 into 2 is equal to 6. What is the answer? 6 minus 5 is equal to minus 6 minus 5 is equal to plus 1. Okay. Then next, formal charge of a third oxygen atom. Formal charge of third oxygen atom is equal to 6 minus how many unshared pair of electrons are there? 6 minus 1 by 2 into 1 bond, so 2 electron. So 6 minus 7 is equal to minus 1. So in the case of a ozone molecule, the formal charges are individual atom. 3 oxygen atoms are there. The formal charge it is 0, plus 1 and minus 1. Clear? So how to calculate formal charge? Formal charge is equal to total number of valence electrons minus total number of unshared pair of electrons minus half into total number of shared pair of electrons. So it is clear.